Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are working with my houseplant Phalaenopsis orchid here. And in the previous video we just shined up some leaves to make them a little bit prettier. They were so dirty I could write my name in the dust and dirt on the leaves, which I did on the video. But next we are going to talk about this leaf under here particularly and what these marks are. So let's have a look at them. Now these marks are very old. They have been on this leaf. This is the oldest leaf on the plant. They're not contagious at all, and they are little depressed pockets of the leaf flesh. They're not spreading. There's no black. There's no yellow. There's no anything on them. And you might wonder what this is. Probably going to be in the title of the video, so it's not going to be a huge surprise to you. But this is what cold damage looks like on a Phalaenopsis orchid. A few years back, this guy was in the garage, and I put him down there. I don't even know why. It was like 4 years ago I put him down there, and he was in the garage for the winter. He was on a window down there, and just, I don't know why, but he went down there. And it was a cold winter day here in British Columbia, so it's not that cold. But it was about 0 degrees outside. And I left the garage door open when I went out. And I came back home hours later after dark to the garage door open. The garage was about 0 degrees, and this was the resulting cold damage. So now you're going to ask, how cold can an orchid get before we get some cold damage? Well, it's going to be different for all orchids, but Phalaenopsis like room temperatures. If you're comfortable, they're comfortable. And this guy is not comfortable at 0 degrees. So what temperature are you guys comfortable? That's 0 degrees Celsius, by the way, for you Fahrenheit folks. That would be like 32. Well, they like household temperatures, so they're going to like it probably no colder than 15, 16 Celsius. That's going to be like 64, 65, 66 Fahrenheit. Once it gets too chilly for you, these are warm growing plants and they're going to be too chilly for the orchid as well. And you're going to start to see some sort of cold damage. And it happens from time to time. This is in a bathroom where it grows right now. And every once in a while in the winter, that bathroom gets cold and I get like a little fleck of cold damage here and there, but nothing like this. And the old leaves, this was a newer leaf at the time. Now it's an old leaf, but all the plant looked like this. And it's slowly growing out, and it has lovely new leaves on it coming out everywhere else. Maybe this was the newest leaf at the time because it has a trace of cold damage, but look how beautiful the leaves are. If this was anything contagious, those leaves that are years old, because this cold damage happened years ago, would be dead. And it would be spreading to the rest of the plant, which it's not. The new leaves come out perfectly fine. So it's nothing to worry about, but make sure you keep your orchid in temperatures that you would want to be in yourself. If you're not happy, it's not going to be happy, and that goes for heat too. If it's in a window in direct sunlight and it's getting really hot, just like if you were sitting in that window for hours, it's going to burn. And the burn is actually going to, instead of just being a green leaf, that leaf is probably going to have the same sort of marks, but they're going to be black and yellow and a little bit nastier. Cold damage is a little bit easier to come back from than when the orchid gets cooked. There's not much coming back from that. But yes, so now we know what these marks are on this orchid and what cold damage looks like on a Phalaenopsis orchid, and hopefully how to prevent it from happening to you. I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this and more videos in this series with this orchid houseplant that I'm working on today, make sure you subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks for watching.